So Dims and Fax asks, what is Excel data types and how do you add enterprise certified Power BI data sets to the Excel data type ribbon? Great question. And so to demo this, Patrick and I were actually talking about this before screen, and you're going to see a little bit of frustration on my end. So let's cut over to my machine and we will show this real quick. All right, so I am in a Power BI report. Right now it is a preview feature. So I'm going to go to options, go to preview features. And then you need to make sure that featured tables is enabled from a preview perspective and then restart Power BI desktop. Once that's done, you can cut over to the model view, select your table of choice, and then you're going to see a couple things here. You're going to see is featured table. So that needs to be turned on, and you have to give the label and key column as part of it. Then publish it to the service. And from an Excel perspective, so let me go into, why didn't I have that open up? All right. So from an Excel perspective, what you're going to see, this is right now you have to be on the insider build of Office. And originally this was labeled as only available for E5. People with an E5 license. I think that may still be in effect. I'm not sure, but they did comment that's going to get rolled back to E3 as well. And then once you have that, you will see this, whoa, that wasn't what I wanted. Cancel. You'll see this data types area where you can have it. And what you'll see here is this customer and product. So these are enabled from a Power BI dataset from that is featured table piece. However, the ones that you're seeing here are actually from a dataset that Patrick published and not the one that I published, because for some reason that's not showing up and I haven't figured that out yet. And in fact, as we were doing, he's like, no, it works for me. And he did the product one and just put that up there in a different workspace and it worked just fine and popped up immediately. But mine does not show that at all. And then so the idea of these is once you actually have those items. So let's see if this actually works. Let me do Cole, and then we'll do customer. Should show something. Yep, over here. So it's going to go D3. And then it doesn't find that. I don't know. I'm just searching for a random name.
So you know what, Adam?
Yeah.
Like, just go back in the cell and put like a number, put like 319 and click product. Put 319 in any cell, 319. Yeah. And then click product. I mean, click away and click product.
Click away and click product.
Yeah, click right there and I'll type 319. Hit away, get away, get away, get away. Right there, type 319. Now click product. No, just click product in the data types. Yeah. You got to click away and click back.
Yep.
Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
There you go.
So then it just showed it immediately. So the other thing you'll see is this little icon right next to it. And if I click on that, it'll actually show in a data card like the items about that item that relates to that data type. So those are things you can play around with. The other thing from the insider build that a lot of people didn't know, and Patrick shows about this, is this from Power BI. So you can pull in a data set directly into Excel as well. So those are on the insider build. So yep, good stuff. All right. So I'm still frustrated mine hasn't showed up yet. That's not.
It's Excel, man. We're not used to this Excel thing. We're not used to this.
Boo-hoo, Sexton. Boo-hoo.
We're not used to this Excel thing.
I can't use Excel. Poor me.
It's taking us out of our comfort zone, man.
Yeah.
It's taking us out of our comfort zone.